I don't know how I came out from that boat, understand? But the only thing I thank God for is that I came out alive with some of the crew members, like Sean Israel, Ogolo, one of my colleagues, Scooby-Doo. Okay, first of all, one night I was at Deåth Hotel and I got a call from Ogolo. I say, Ogolo, they always call me one job day, and I'm my guy. So you called me, say, Baba, I don't remember you, I get job. Where you did? I say, I did Deåth. He say, okay, come to Wicked Man's house where we always shoot film, and it's around my area. So I said, okay, I'll be there in the next 1 hour. So I was still discussing with some of my friends that before I check my time, you don't pass 1 hour. And I call and say, I bet you did that location. They say, still there. I say, can you come? So when I got there, he said, he get a job for me. Then the next thing, Adam Maluk came out. So, because the last job I did for Adam Maluk, the name of the film is Shortcut. You know, say Adam Man my person. So anytime where I do work from, I do like saying a family. Even if I collect hire from other people, even if I can't work for them, I know they ask them how much it could be. That's why the first job I did with her, we finished the job. All of a sudden, person where I get respect for, she sent 30,000 to me. As in, I'm mad. That time, during that time, we BP do in music, man could see me again. Now me and Jerry and Milo, we dance for the video. We can't do video for BP promoting something. So back to what I was saying, they gave me a script. Then they started joking. They go, we go enter water, we go enter water. I say, which one? They say we go enter water. They say we go. I say, I beg, how the job be? Say they already don't start the job. I will be on set tomorrow. I say, you are giving me a script now. I say, I will be on set tomorrow. How I won't read all this thing. They say, I beg, they go need me tomorrow. I said, okay, no problem. Last night she said, make I go. Say, we go talk for WhatsApp. I say, no problem, but I beg, if true they cross water, I know they like cross water. It gets why everybody know where from come. Before I cross water, they go observe them. Now I say, no. I say, okay, let me call my spiritual mom. I called my spiritual mom. She said, okay, no. Say, make I go. Say nothing. Say, if I finish. So far, say, if I finish. That's good. Why me supposed to give water. People say, make I still come bring them for them. I say, okay, no problem. He reached the next day where I supposed to start the job. They don't call me throughout that. They are come the rest. Why these people, they don't start this, their package. They will tell you be on set, they wouldn't call you. So the upper day, I got a call from Ogolo. I said, they go need me this morning. I said, Ogolo, you go need me this morning, but your girl never call me. Why Adam Maluk never call me? He said, no, Baba, say, she go call you. I said, okay, let me come out with trust. I came out. Adam Maluk, half an hour for phone. Wait till you go pay. He tell me, say, see, make I talk now. I say, see how much why they collect to. She tell me, say, okay, see what thing go happen. Say she not to get money, I beg now. Say she have paid Junior Pope. Say her money don't go down. Say, you know, say, not be waiting at the collect, but I beg, make I collect 100,000 from him. I said, okay, I'll take this job because of you. I say, because when I born Peking, I see her for one supermarket, which she bought me Pampers. And that was how we settled in that our last job, the shortcut. So we'll come go the job that day. We'll fly. We'll first shoot for our campus, our campus forest. And they will be in the shoot. The next day they can't say no. We they go Anam. Saying that for that Anam their picture day. So when we got to Anam the first day. When I got to water, according to what my spiritual mom, I bought Fanta. I used alligator.
Somebody said that 100K hero, I be 100,000.
100,000 naira. 100,000 naira. Understand? When I got to the place, I bought Fanta. I have 10,000 with me. I spray them for the water. Give small children wait on top of the water. The remaining 5K wait there to 200. I got small children on top of the water. We can't go that first day. So when we got to the location, Junior Pope never come. They come, they wait for Junior Pope. When Junior Pope now came, if you watch the last video, that video where Junior Pope post, now video we didn't do day before yesterday, but he posted it yesterday because he was wearing a different clothes. That day he was wearing green, yesterday he was wearing red. So when Junior Pope came, he came late around towards 1, 2. So already everybody done there exhausted for location. He come ask me too. I don't see your car. I say, Baba, I park for Bearwood though. And for Bearwood, say, hey, say if they say no, if no carrying car, come down here since they thief for that marine. At last say, Baba, now so he be. So he was not comfortable. He did. Begin tell our PM, say he won't go, say he get us in body they do him. He now left. So I was with my small boy where they always use camera video me. I can't tell the guy, say, make him follow Junior Pope cross, make him go. That was how he left that day. But that guy, my cameraman got one of the Selena boys tested where they shoot with me. He carry him cord go where I beg. So he come tell me, say, he go bring and been there yesterday. So we can't go that day. I can't tell PM, make I go, make I follow Junior Pope for both. He tell me, say, no, if Junior Pope, because he was the first man, I was the second man in command in the film. So he can tell me, say, if Junior Pope go, who, if I go, who go come they shoot fear. Say, the guy who go look on tell me, say, if I won't go, I feel go, but still, make him tell me, make I there now, make I shoot. As Junior Pope done, go, make I shoot. I say, okay, Baba, no problem. And meanwhile, when we started this job, I told Ogolo Alpha for my welfare, for money for my food. So he told me they don't get money for welfare. Or say now 1.5 their budget for welfare. I can't laugh. Then I say me 1.5 morning, afternoon, and night. So now it means saying for 500. Now a budget for grown-up man like me where I go eat. Normally waiting be 1.5. If I go where I go chop, where I chop more than 4,000. For one plate. He said na 1.5 the budget, the team pay me. I say no problem. Adama look made a promise to us, we the guys where they should say she will transfer 20,000 to my account. So I go use and buy loud. We will go smoke. When we say we no go smoke ordinary Igbo, where they there. That money she no send the money. I come the verse, say she no send the money, and those guys feel saying don't send the money. She didn't send the money. And I told Adama, how far now? If me where they drive motor, that girl where the video dash 2 million. Now me even go drop am. Okoli. Now me even carry am. I carry that, but normally I know the cab. But for my that my small spider, because of the kind of I know they raise my shoulder high. I carry the girl, carry about 6 people. Go drop them around 10 for night. Go drop everybody. Understand? Even so, and I answer say, you know they give me money for fuel. Even if na 2K, they bring the support. Make I add my own money. Make I buy fuel. So I say no. They say they don't get money for fuel for me. I say, you know what thing go happen? Since this thing be like this, it don't they cause trouble. No money. You know they give me welfare since I started the job. They have not given me food. No money for the welfare. They told me say now the food where they cook. Now I go eat that. I say no. Everybody get as in they live in life. You can't force me to eat what you cooked. Understand? So they say no money for welfare for me, no fuel money, and the loud money, she no bring them. That's the issue. I come to and say, you know what thing will happen? Adama, forget them, hold on. If you no want bring money for this thing, I'll come and finish this work. She come tell me, say, after that thing, why I tell them that thing, she cut phone. The next thing, she now called me and say, TC, why I dey tell the guys for the set, me they no cross water? Why I won't spoil the job? Why I won't make those guys no cross water? Go shoot for them. I can say, Adama, I never said so. I was only talking for myself. Say, I know they like cross water. I get time why they use cross water, and I get time why they use go back. I only spoke for myself. I am not speaking for anyone. I tell I say, I beg. Now that day I call, now for that phone, now I tell I say, you know what thing will happen? If this thing won't bring problem, I beg hold the fuel money, hold the welfare money, Adama make I do the job. And I asked my PM to tell Adama to send me that cheap 100,000. What is 100,000 now?
That's not your artist fee.
It's not my artist fee. Just make I show am love.
Wow.
I say, okay. Make it tell Adama, make it give me that 100,000 or I will not shoot. Adama could not bring that money.
Wait, they never even pay you the money before you start production.
They never pay me out of love where I get for the girl. I don't even see a lot. Now I never see a lot. Out of the thing, I no gree go. The thing can't they pay me. How I go take buy food? How I go take buy fuel? How I go take care of my baby? If I come off for house, I suppose drop something and say, man, the thing they pay me. I no talk. I can't use out of anger. Day before yesterday, why I tell Junior Pope make him cross, when he say him one cross, him go. When him go whether my boy follow him. We left that location around 10:30
in the
without
morning.
life jackets.
In the morning.
In the night.
Wait, when I shoot today for yesterday for night.
For night, for Anam Forest.
Hey, Jesus.
We left without no life jacket. Nobody, no single person wear life
For
jacket.
midnight.
For midnight. So, he reached that yesterday morning. The thing can't pay me. I remember what thing I risked that day before yesterday. The thing can't pay me for body. He reached yesterday. First person where I call in the morning was Junior Pope. I tell Junior Pope, Baba, I get maximum respect for you as my senior brother. Help me, I know say Adama na your friend. Help me tell Adama to give me my money or I will not come to that set. Say because if I come that set, she no go like my say everybody know say me I dey kolo. She no go like wetin I go display for that set. Now wetin I tell Junior Pope. Junior Pope say make I calm down. Say him go call Adama look and he will get back to me. This was happening around after 9 in the morning. I don't cut phone, day for bed. The thing no gree me. The thing still dey pay me for body. I begin call Ogolo, our PM, production manager. Say, what thing dey happen now? He say, he never get the alert. Say, now wow. Say, okay, he go talk to her. I can't call one of the Selena tested boys. Come tell him for WhatsApp. Say, see what thing dey happen now. Say, I dey vex as I dey like this and I no go come that location today. Say, if I come that location, they no go like I go scatter everywhere. Because the thing don't reach my head. The guy come tell me saying go talk to Ogolo. So the guy went to speak to Ogolo. Ogolo, out of his own heart, not even from our dad's pocket, out of his own heart, and as a production manager, make problem no day. He brought out 50,000 and sent to me. I didn't check my account while I was coming. So the thing, after everything, I don't even know saying go and send money. I can't call and tell and say, Ogolo, you know what thing will happen? Since where this thing be like this, I can't start what I can't finish. You know what thing will happen? I come that location, I will prove everybody wrong and I will do that job without requesting for money. Make I take the money. Say I don't need that again. Make I can't finish my job. Because I was meant to finish that yesterday. I tell her, say, they come in, tell me. The only thing he told me, T Baba, I love you for this as my production manager. For this thing where you talk, I too love you. I know say you no go feel disappointment. I tell her, say, they come. I brought her gin. So he said me say, T Baba, I love you for this. Say, you know what thing will happen? This thing where you do is shock me. I tell her, say, okay, I am coming. I dress up. When I did dress up for house, they brought gin for me. Along the line, my woman tell me, say, nah, you don't too wear gin. I beg, wear necker. Which one you wear gin up and down? I wear necker, we get 2 size zips. I begin come. I was meant to park my motor at Bearwood. While leaving the house, while leaving my compound, weather come dey dark. The rain come dey drizzle. I can't say I don't understand this kind of rain. Hey, this thing not be good sign. And I was weak. My mom was calling me. But why I know they pick my mom call is what I don't know. Later, when I now left my compound, I saw one of my neighbor, Jero. I told him, say I did this girl job.
So you know, see Instagram go cut this thing. Just that time when I enter the boat, just start from there.
Okay. So to cut the show short, they were calling when I get to the place. So they call JP, make him come. Ogolo tell me, did you receive the $50? I say send me $50. I say if Adama send the money for me, make I balance them back. I say God bless you. So they call JP. JP know they call. He tell them say I did Grand Hotel. I go see me. They don't call him more than 20 times. He say he go see me, go see if him pick. The next one he no go pick. So we waited for like 30 minutes. He no come. Up to 1 hour. 1 hour some minutes. JP never come. So he come call me for phone. Tell me say TC how far now? Say you don't talk with. Say he don't call Adama. Look say Adama say he go bank go transfer the 100,000 for me. I can't be wonder. For 100,000, a big chick like you won't go bank, so you go fit transfer the 100,000 for me. I no talk. I say no problem. At last I say anyway, Shababa, I don't reach here. He say okay, in the come. He come. When he came, we can't dey go down the river, mo come out. In park in motor, we can't dey go down the river, mo come out. So, in same person make it buy him drink. One hero and one tiger. One hero before it be I say with tiger because he and DOP they come from downhill. I first then go down. He can say in the come. Say make the person bring the drink, he don't give person money. We waited for the person, you know, see he come down the hill again. Can't enter boat. The next thing the person carry one black bath, carry that 2 alcohol, then give the DOP, collect one. They come the drink. As they come the drink, since we will start this job, I always sit down for front. I know they like sit down for. I don't see where boat can say. I know they like sit down for that. I always like hold that rope. It's very important to me that the rope now do me all this small scratch. Now the fan of the boat now do me this thing. So I did for that front. They were making a video, and as they make everybody put phone for pocket, The DOP was wearing a jacket and the director was wearing a life jacket. Only 2 of them wear life jackets. So JP then said that me I did for the mouth of the boat, bend down. Who can't they go? But before I entered the boat, I carry my Fanta while I buy. Pour for the boat. First thing when Junior Pope asked me to, what do they do? At last I observe water people. I know they feel pass without sharing something. I don't give them Fanta, I beg. I don't want any bad thing to happen to me. I know like water. So he say not true, not true. We enter, they sit down. That time we don't go, JP don't make video. The boat guy was wearing an earpiece. I think he was playing the music and JP was doing video. So he was focusing for his head to come out on the video. And I was in the front. I see one small canoe. These people were the fishermen. At the time I say, see canoe. This thing like canoe like this now, where they move. The canoe, that guy, if he get experience, he for just do like this. But he no get the experience. The first thing we in jam na the last point of the canoe, the boat somersaulted. But because I was holding that rope, where we say boat park for dry ground, where they hold her for ground, now that rope, now I hold, they save that girl, Scooby-Doo girl. Why they save with me and there, they push them up. See me when no they enter swimming pool, I know sabi swim. Nothing. That was it. Every of my phone, sport, everything. That is why I'm not online. Nothing.
As you can't come out, I say they want to arrest you.
As I can't come out, me and Sean Israel, being the props guy, we've been packing motor. With me, Sean Israel, and that girl, with Ogolo, them everybody came out. But when boats come, I couldn't. The trauma was too much. I tell one of the boats, I beg, carry me across, come out for this water first. Mission Israel with that girl why I say we can't come on Scooby-Doo girl. I can't come on, Sean can't say no feed there. They drive motor. Go. When we were then going, the thing no green me. I have to turn back. All one of my friend understand where I get a number.
Which you race school now? Which boat? Boat where they pass?
Boat where they pass. You know say a boat move. You know say river they open. Understand? If you the site waiting they happen for up. So now those people wait sight from that place will take off and then they come with boats. Concept by then I was already getting weak. I'm tired of holding that thing because that girl too they try hold me, make I survive. Me when no sabi swim, and they hold the rope, the girl they hold me. So 2 of us for go. I came out, I went to take tetanus injection in my hand because that water was very bad and treat the mouth of this thing. And ever young, now tracked me. Now say make we go back to the river. When I got there, I saw a lot of people. I saw my colleague Kevin Nuvo. I saw a lot of people. I saw Adam Maluk. By that time, Adam Maluk don't reach. The next thing, as we don't there finish, I tell them, see what happen, see what happen. As I won't go up, one boy rush call me, say police people they call me. I say.
That's after the accident.
After the accident don't happen, they say police.
And they never see Junior Popo.
They never. Now me even first go police station, go report for police station, see what happen for Marine police station. When me and Sean Israel came out, now we rush go report for there because now they will pack motor. They come they say why film people they always do this thing. Say they don't tell us anytime we will come, make we come rent jackets for their station before we they enter that water because they be Marine police. say but because of our stinginess say we no dey even come carry them with some divers na because of our stinginess if we come we go think say we go fit make am alone we go go. So there na me and Sean come drive wey I call my guy, but Sean was having a second phone wey he no carry inside the motor, so he come call my guy. He come instantly. As my guy came, I called him, I beg carry me go back. I won't go down Marine. I know if he say my heart no fit rest if I no go there. Say this person na my colleague. Omo, as I dey come there talk wetin happen finish, make I go. The boy tell me say police people dey come here. I say make any police wey wan see me, say my head now dey shake, make they come see me here while I sit down. The next thing the policeman came say that they have to take me to Onitsha, to Marine Genewa extension to Onitsha with boat. I say with boat wey God just rescue my life. I come out. He wants to carry me with boat to go there. They say no, they have a life jacket for me. I say it be like say something they worry.
Who tell them they arrest you?
Yeah? Now that man look. Tell them say na me cause because as I come out, the boat guy don't dey lie. Say I stand up for the boat. That is why he no see road. Are you a madman? As I slim like this, I stand for mouth of boat. Now you no see road. Are you okay? You will be a pilot. Where the pilot boat. It's crazy.
So after the accident, they never even see Junior Pope. Adam must say they arrest you.
They never even see Junior Pope that time. Oh. They never even see Junior Pope. Now verse my guys come they talk. After I leave this, the policeman will come they shout for him. That was how I left the place. Before my chairman man came to carry me to the hospital, say mo go do scan for night yesterday. That was it. So I'm totally disappointed, and as this point now, I want to officially say this: I am no longer an actor. I've survived so many times. I know how many times because of this stupid business. How much they pay me? How much did they pay me? I know how many times I don't survive. I know how many times they don't give me poison when nobody hear. I know how many times I don't get car accident because of Nollywood. When I know if you kill me, my head too strong. When I know if you kill me. I don't want to be an actor. Let me focus on my comedy. If you love me, you want to support everything what they do, come to my Facebook page and see me. I don't care. Make everybody hold their script. Make a day. No only me, my mama get. I no get brother. I no get sister.
My name is Aki Anabi. I'm a video director and TV producer of Akomolowe on African Magic. Keep watching Drivetv.
Olólùfẹ́ Drivetv àti gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí Fẹ́mi Sola ẹ máa wo Drivetv. Keep watching Drivetv.
My name is Wole Agba. Taking this time out to tell you all that you keep watching Drivetv. What drive ẹ̀wọ̀ ní ògo ẹ̀? What drive ẹ̀wọ̀ fulfilment? What drive ẹ̀wọ̀ bí tó bá lọ? Ó ní ṣírin. Ibi ni kò máa wò Drivetv. Thank you. Chloe.
Drivetv, driving you around the world.